Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can perform a factory reset on your LG television. So whether you're getting some sort of error code and you just want to reset your TV to fix the error, or you're selling your television and you want everything like new, then this video will show you exactly how to do that. So it's very straightforward. The first thing we need to do is just grab your TV remote and we're going to press the home icon on the remote here, and this will bring up the LG home screen. Now in this top right hand navigation you'll see all of these different navigation settings. So we just need to come over to this cog icon up here by using the arrow keys and then just press OK to bring up the settings window. Now you can also get to this menu by coming over to your TV remote, and we can just press the settings icon on your remote and this will bring up this window directly from here. So from these menu options, we just need to scroll all the way down to all settings and hit OK. Come down once again to the general tab and hit OK. And then we're just going to use the right arrow key to come across to this general tab. And you need to scroll all the way down and head inside of system. Now right at the bottom here, you'll see this option for reset to initial settings. So if you just go ahead and press OK on your TV remote here, as you can see, you'll get this warning message, and this is going to delete all of the settings and installed apps that are currently on your TV. So it will be like buying your TV from new, where you have to set everything up again and enter all of your passwords and your Wi-Fi passwords and things like that. So you can also come down to this option where it says reset all except network settings, and that's just basically going to reset everything, obviously apart from your network settings. So it's up to you what you decide to do here. You can either decide to reset everything or just go ahead with this bottom option, but for me I don't need to perform this reset now, so I'm just going to go ahead and press cancel. But when you go ahead with these steps, that's going to go ahead and reset your TV to like new. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you factory reset your LG TV to its default settings. If you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.